Welcome to this week's 5-Minute Friday. I am Dr. Jen Miller, and we are here to provide a bite-sized dose of professional learning to help improve your practice. Today, we are focusing on our core curriculum for all of our 6 through 12 science courses, which is McGraw-Hill Inspire Science. So let's take a look at our platform and jump right in. Okay, so let's take a look at McGraw-Hill. I'm going to go through Clever right now. So I'm just on my Clever screen and I'm going to click into McGraw-Hill. So now, once I get into McGraw-Hill, I'm going to see an option at the top that says Browse this course. We are going to use our curriculum guide and figure out which module we should be in. So in this case, I should be in Exploring the Universe for grade 8 right now. And let's say I'm going to be in lesson 1. So I can click on the module or I can click on Open here and it'll open that lesson immediately. So from here, we're going to see all of our 5 E's and the activities that are embedded within our platform, which we can assign. Remember that anything that's in gray is not available to students. You cannot assign it, but it's for your use. And then anything in blue can be assigned for students. So I know when I looked at my curriculum guide that I need to do my Encounter the Phenomenon with my students. So I can just go ahead and click Assign and then fill in all of the required fields here. Always allow late submission. And then points, for this one, it's just a video, so I'm going to make it ungraded. And then I will go ahead and click Assign. If you have multiple classes available, let's say you teach 5 sections of grade 8, you can click all of the classes and it assigns them to all your classes so you don't have to go into each class and assign. So that's great. So that's the first way that we can find the things that we are going to assign. The second way is for us to use our search bar. So click on the little magnifying glass, and then let's say that I know I want to do my claim evidence reasoning because it's on my curriculum guide as one of the activities. If I type this in, I'm going to see every single CER, but I can just go to my course location filter. I need to be in Exploring the Universe, and then I want to be in lesson 1. So after I select that, I can just hit apply. And it pops up the one that I'll be using for my lesson 1. So explain the phenomenon. And then from here, I can just assign it. If we see our SmartBook 2.0, that is an essential thing that we should all be leveraging. And that's in our curriculum guides as well. We have to assign those a little bit differently. So you're going to go to Assignments. You're going to go to New Assignment and click SmartBook 2.0. If you find a SmartBook inside of your actual lesson planning document with the 5E thing, it's SmartBook 1.0 and it's not as useful. So we want to use SmartBook 2.0. Okay, so in my SmartBook 2.0, I've selected the Earth Science from Content, but I don't want all of these, so I'm going to deselect. And looking at my curriculum guide, it tells me which one I'm supposed to focus on. So if I go over to my curriculum guide, it tells me that I should be in Earth Science, Exploring the Universe, and then lesson 1. So I'm going to find Explore the Universe, click that, and notice this drop down caret. Now all of my lessons are selected. I only want lesson 1, and that drops it to a reasonable amount of time for students, and then click Continue. So this one's a little bit different than assigning the rest of them. You have to go through that Assignments tab. And now I'm going to do the same work that I did before. So now what we're going to do is pop over to Canvas and see how we're going to access those things through Canvas if you choose to go that route. Okay, so we are magically in Canvas and we're going to jump quickly into this Science 3 course, our 8th grade course. And we want to make sure that we are on modules. This homepage is modules, but make sure you are over here. And then we're going to click on this little shish kebab next to the plus module button. You'll see here it says McGraw-Hill LTI link. You can go ahead and click that, and it's going to integrate your assignments that you create if you go through Canvas, which you do not have to, but you can. So you're going to be presented with courses that you want to pair, and then you're going to have to figure out which one. For us, I'm going to use the sample grade 8 course right here. And now this pairing is going to be saved. From here, I can just go in and I can launch my McGraw-Hill from here, and I can either add pre-built assignments, so something that's in McGraw-Hill, or if I've created assignments in the McGraw-Hill platform, like through Clever, I can click Sync Assignments to sync everything here. So let's just say really quickly, I'm going to add a pre-built assignment. It looks pretty similar to the platform. I would say it's a little clunkier, but that's okay. So again, let's just say I wanted to do that CER from our previous one. So here's our CER, and I'm still going to do that course location, and I'm still going to select our Exploring the Universe module, which I was in, and I can still apply. So from here, I want to make sure I'm looking at the right CER. I want to be in lesson 1, so I'm going to assign that one. And then, of course, everything is here again. Scroll down, and you'll do all the other things that you did before. Copy to classes if you want to, and then click Assign. So after you do that, that is applied. And then you'll see it does not drop into the correct module. It goes to New Content from App. And then what you'll need to do is click on the shish kebab next to that assignment and then say Move To, and you'll move it to the correct module, Module 3, Move. So now you'll see that is here. All you'll have to do is publish the unit in the module, and then students can pop in here and click on it, and it will bring up the assignment within Canvas. If you don't use this, students can still access McGraw-Hill through Canvas. They will just need to use the Connect Ed path. So on this left toolbar, you'll see that we have Connect Ed here. Mine will not do what students will do, but it'll pop them right into that McGraw-Hill website where they can find your assignments. So you've seen the clever way, you've seen the Canvas way. I don't care which way, just use the curriculum and use the curriculum guide to help you decide on your activities that you're going to work with students on. Thanks for watching this week's 5-Minute Friday. Leave me a comment and let me know what else you'd like to learn about McGraw-Hill, or what else you'd like to learn about science to help improve your practice. This is Dr. Jen Miller, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.